Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. Children, today again we will discuss some more exercise of chapter 3, that is my sense organs. So see question number 3. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. So children, in this question options are given. You have to choose the correct word to complete a sentence. Okay, one by one we will see. See the A part. My dash tells me that the cup of milk is hot. Options are eye, nose, skin. So who tell us that the milk cup of a milk is hot? Our eye, our nose, or our skin? Skin. Okay. Skin tell us that the cup of milk is hot. Because from eye we can see, from nose we can smell, but from skin we can feel. Okay, so we feel the hotness of the milk. Now come on the B. My dash tells me that the food is yummy. So who tell us that the food is yummy? Tongue, skin, ear. Tell me children, who tell us that the food is yummy? Tongue, skin or ear. From ear we can hear, from skin we can feel, and from tongue we can taste. So tongue tell us that the food is yummy. Okay, so right answer is tongue. Clear? So you can write here tongue. Now see the next one. See, my dash tell me about the sound I hear. So children, how you are able to hear the sound? By your eyes, by your ears, or by your nose? Tell me children. By your ears. So the correct answer is ears. Okay. Correct answer is ears. Clear? Now move to the D part. My dash tell me that the painting is beautiful. Who tell us that the painting is beautiful? Our ear, our eyes, or the tongue? Who tell us? Our eyes, because we can see the painting by using our eyes. So eyes tell us that the painting is beautiful. Now E part, my dash tells me that the flower smells good. So the correct answer is nose. Okay, my nose tell me that the flower smells good. Clear children? Can we move to the next question? Okay, see here. Horse question. Higher order thinking skill. Children, if you want, you can note down the answer in your copy and learn it at your home. Okay? See A part. Why do some people wear glasses? Why do some people wear glasses? Glasses means you know na specs. Okay, spectacles. You can say spectacles also. Some people wear glasses to see better. So why people wear glasses? To see better. Okay, by wearing glasses they are able to see the things more clear or more better. Okay, and not everyone wearing the glasses who is having the problem in their eyes. Only they are wearing the glasses so they can see better. Clear? Now B part, B question B. Which sense organ makes you laugh on tickling? So children, which sense organ make you laugh on tickling? Your skin. Why? See, suppose if anyone tickling you, then at that time on your body part they tickle you. So I told you already that skin is present everywhere in our body. So our skin feel the sensation, okay, and the nerve which attach with the skin send message to our brain, and brain respond, okay, and we start laughing. Okay, so our skin and brain, both organs involved in this process during tickling time. But in this question it is asking that which sense organ make you laugh on tickling. So that's why I'm not mentioning brain in this question. Only you remember that skin make us laugh on tickling. Okay, if suppose in this question it is asking that which organ make you laugh on tickling, then the answer is your brain and your skin also you can say. But in this it is asking the sense organ. So sense organ, skin. Okay, the correct answer is skin. Make us laugh on tickling. Clear, children? Now, all of you, if you want, you can note down the things. Okay, try to learn all the question answer at your home. Clear? Now, all of you take care. Thank you.